This is a blind cabinet, VLB 3942. Overall size measures. See it? Overall size measures 33 inches wide. That's the size of the cabinet itself. The reason why it's 33 is that both openings are the same size, so that this drawer can be moved to this side and this door can be moved to this side to make it a left instead of a right blind cabinet if you were to put it on this side instead. So it's made to be reversible, right? So that's why it's 33. The amount of wall space this cabinet takes at the minimum is 39 inches, BLB 3942. So the minimum set dimension is 39 inches. From the wall, 39, right? So right now I'm gonna set this cabinet at 39 inches and not pull it, meaning I'm not gonna pull it to the 42 dimension. What that does is when I put another cabinet or maybe a dishwasher panel to it here, say for example, I'm gonna put a stove in this area. If you notice, right now it's set at 39 inches. If I had a cabinet here and I tried to open this drawer, clearly it would hit the handle of whatever item is going here. So this is why we pull a blind cabinet to the next dimension, which in this case is 42 inches. I can pull the cabinet anywhere from 39 to 42. That pull dimension, meaning the distance I pull this cabinet this way, can vary depending on the situation. However, 3 inches is usually the standard for maybe an adjacent cabinet on this side. So now I've set this cabinet at 42 inches from that wall. So if I measure from my tape from the wall on this side to the end of the cabinet, it measures 42 inches. So now what does that do? If I put another cabinet, again on the adjacent side, in this case I'm putting a dishwasher panel, and I set this in place, notice now I have 3 inches of filler showing, and then the 3-inch filler here to give me the adequate room so that when I open this drawer, it would clear an opposing drawer on this side. And the same thing happens on the door. It's cleared, it won't bind. So that's the importance of pulling a cabinet. So in this case, I pulled the cabinet 3 inches because I put it from this minimum set of 39 inches, pulled it 3 inches this way, so now I'm set at 42 to allow for this. So that's the importance of pulling. Now I'm gonna pull this 6 inches now. So for example, in this case, this is a 3942, I'm gonna pull this cabinet or over pull this cabinet to 6 inches, thus pulling it to 45 inches. I'll show you what that looks like. So now I've set my cabinet at 45 inches. This cabinet again is a BLB 3942. In this case, I've pulled it to 6 inches. So instead of the normal 3, I'm gonna over pull it past, and my dimension now again is 45 to the end of the cabinet, right? So I've pulled this cabinet 6 inches. What does that do? So the reason why I over pull many times, or oftentimes, is if I have this dishwasher panel here, or maybe a small cabinet, and the next item here could be a range, and a range would have a big handle here. And that's why I need to over pull, because if I had a huge handle, eventually I don't want this to touch. If I only pulled it 3 inches, this might be too close, right? So over pulling leaves you more room here so that you can clear a big handle, have that been an appliance. The only thing you have to watch out for is when you over pull, you're gonna start seeing the open space, right? So in order to fix this, make sure you sell a 6-inch filler, and you can install the filler a couple different ways. Some people like to use this filler as an overlay filler and put it right here like this. That's one way to do it. Again, it would cover the hole. It would make it look nice and clean. Just be careful if it's a plywood filler. You don't want to see the plywood exposed here. So if you're using a filler in this case, either choose an overlay filler